Quick air fryer potato wedges. All the ingredients you need are potatoes, paprika, onion flakes, salt and a little olive oil. Throw your potatoes into a bowl, drizzle with a little olive oil, then add your salt, your onion flakes and your paprika. Now mix it all together, making sure they're thoroughly coated. Pop them into your air fryer. Make sure you leave a bit of room so they cook. If they're not cooked after 10 minutes, cook for another 5. Eat straight away with your favourite sauce. For this recipe, click onto the link or jump onto justonebiteatatime.com. Have a great day.